politics. Inti yampani mfuamo nsiade. Ena mo na mo court na mo tire ensasi ade politics. Sa. Sa. Ene bia kakro mu nyadie ni to mo ato wo mo. We must call a spade a spade. Some can we say, you know.
Ebusian for aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Mesra or like, a comment, a subscribe, then no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Adia Bakwa aye certain say 2029 say aban sisa na NPP eba back to power. Nkrofo bi wo ho a at least yoko ho de ombeda o akra. Na san nkrofo no baku eye Sammy Miami. Ambo biadi Sammy Miami. One is Sammy Miami ogana. Yemi na maka, muna muka. Sammy Miami no ebusanfo obeda iyoko. Na wan hwe yin so a eye nsabom obeda o. Ebusanfo NDC government we ba ban mo no. Ade ba kwa mu ye no ntem pa bill bi omudi call parliament. Ye free bill no Goldbod bill. Sa Goldbod bill no omu passing on 10 terms super passing in ye na omudi call President Mahama and now then his signature or signing so to pass it into a law. Na sa law no e de on mine gold nyina two menu share sa one entity in same small scale sector no. Na sa Goldbod never receive applications for mining licenses. Sa Goldbod nso never man for license say wo obetumi ato gold wo ntimi nto wo betumi ato wo ntimi to. Enti na nkrofo a omo license nyina e wo Ghana a omo timi to gold no abaneji from nsem. Na Ghana for bebre nim say sa de no an attempt by NDC government no to hijack. But untimi mfa wanu ka esan say Ghana for na nim say ya na yakope na yakofa baye enti mikasa. Ebusianfo revelations are eba se ni say Ufa on my way body be a friend of Council of State. Na sa Council of State no obusanfo. A body formed by the Constitution. One of the highest decision making bodies ewo on my way mu. Chile said never be brewo before Omampeni John Dramani Mahama ebe take his step no. And I say ebe make his decisions no. Here approval from the Council of State. And see, for we or beer, why are lucky? Ya appoint you to Council of State, and I say Council of State election. We need election. Now be a Council of State member. Your friend honorable, there be your friend His Excellency or Her Excellency. Just say you are the same pedigree as the president, the same pedigree as an ambassador. Enti enye small body kra. Na sa Council of State no. Eto de bia esenkofo a mu ye dwuma ho eso mu ye bold. Say omampani ya de bia enye no. So they can tell omampani say omampani where are we de enye. Ebe ya jaisa. Emboaye, emboa oman no. So most of the time naka enye say Council of State enye partisan. But under this NDC government, you realize that Council of State are very, very partisan. And Akufo-Addo, they were very, very antagonistic towards NPP government. They were part of Council of State. Akufo-Addo didn't have a problem with that. But Banwe Abano, election, Council of State election, also. Now moving away from that, they say Sammy Miami, Sa Goldbod, any licensing to buy gold, and now the convincing Council of State members. To the extent, say, revelation is now coming as a Nipa Baku 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baku mienu miensa for trim here then busianfo. Why wouldn't fatu comment section mami why? Number 4 comment trim here then. Nipa 4 move 4 no ena ka council of state ne ho na Sammy Miami ama license to buy gold. They say they have taken everything away from the citizens and they are sharing it among themselves. Proper family and friends government. What they were accusing Akufo-Addo of not knowing, they were coming to show us the shege. So when I watch a video, know why? I GhanaNsem TV GH. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for more news.
Mamimra NPP members of parliament minority. Ukraine nabu omo abaso kakra. Na nsen ya na ye ka se MPs MCO parliament ni ade no. In spite of CSA no, they are ready to help the government. Intino, they are always there in numbers. They make a sort I say. I'll commend them in terms of punctuality. But adia ba ko omo ni ma omo ho ni say majority for no ni ade no, omo mu minority no. Somebody like Professor Nyako Kwadaso.
Okay.
Senior politics Christine Nyako, politics Legon psychology department anyway professor. Now ko hwe ayarega. Ya bagbe kakra shu bia Nyako ekosua ade o Germany from Kivas. Ayarega how Yakubu ne bo awo. Obi set kura binum di kodi ekoye lawyers no. Ya ba hwem. Now busa Sam say Shrag was saying you all Ghana has say ya. As a psychologist no, he was building a point. What in Simguno Kasa no. So tie says ye ban where you busa relevant question. Wono that really hope on you say what now determine relevant question. And what is relevant question? Yemuyen but young crop we bia yiri wo mo as if say na ya boa ban no. Men kotia MPs me no am respect wo mo. Baku ye interview anope and na GhanaNsem no e o se ye jai yi partisan na yi na ye nyina no ye boa ban no. I'm sorry, I'm highly disappointed in them. I respect them so much. They kind John Mama 2011 ya GhanaNsem no emu adino vice president no. He came and say ye nya GhanaNsem. I have the people there and the dates there. Ye nyina no samra ni amfa anye dede o and the Akufo-Addo opposition amfa anye dede. Then NDC Edru Babie no fellow squache any professor and I'm going to cut now na mo kire ensesi ade politics sir sir any bia kakro mo nya de ni to mo ato mo we must call a spade some can we say you know and am panifo mo so na mo opportunity some table motion say mama so ba ye no a year license ade a year small scale money no close to 300 a year free on. So if I were a member of parliament and I what that stature and once about Trump say, Mom Mumra minister no make criteria reasons what they ever draw on for the panel embrama you and only a Juma also we are responsible or the say minority responsible opposition and one here panel where you are near free on. I can tell you say nipa yaju license no one with the perceived MPP in crop for over 200 and we are not saying about that any 200 ye die GhanaNsem ni ade abani yeso respect you abani yeso respect you abani no to anu mo enchefu asori aka ni pay say wa himfo ne say ye MP otu GhanaNsem abani no ankasa se Joseph Yami tudi oni abanga ye hwehwem onka ho hwe na wo na wo kwakwafu ane so dia toso mienu eye on say license ye dey talk gold emma Goldbod eni pa ya mo ye so ye 8 council of state for year 4 and then among kasa mon fan kwafu anomra you have agent roles to play in parliament na ke jina ye nyai asemo ho atomo opani 1996 empanifo akọ parliament ya na judgment sado ma no adokufo mo no menia wom ye nipa they were accomplished and they knew what they were talking about so to make ya say entinyema ye so pertinent enipa 8 na to gold no council of state for year 4 why don't you question their whereabouts And why the criteria de ma omo? That is the role of a responsible opposition. Why don't you question say license no? Any pa ma withdraw no 1 minute here for. Again, oba ye less than 11 months no. What me atai edi adia ye kwa brawo yes on parfait. Wa man nipa 35 license. Adia enya wo withdraw no. What's up for chile? And we are not saying anything about that. The party is not talking about that. Our members of parliament are not talking about that. In as much as we might make some vital strides, no. Certain pertinent you always say so bet my ya question woman, you are silent. And you end up praising the government. Come on. Maybe your friend will be so what information? Because I'm telling you, information and members of parliament no crown. Say ya dear sir. One more boy and Saka because Mr. Parliament, Mr. Speaker, where you? Yen ya nam radio so and a pebia radio station 15 in Crasiano. Na yet me build data you know. Hazard, ya captain. Ye mo bin ya ba parliament be ready hazard. Na obi onu no mi kro masquerade hinzan no. Kas ka kra yesen.
Abuja ore ya adumaku be.
Ya make a sort ase.
Nti wo de hwe we no na ore ya adumaku be fi former director communication ma the New Patriotic Party and open no edi enkomo so raise some issues non kron abo apaunsma aduasa ensia na menene ko akosi nondu. Se wo hwa NPP de yemfa anya amanyosem no de sa NPP vo suban de enyae mo wa ban mu a yemfa anya amanyosem enipa
over
32 aji double salary we yemfa anya amanyosem no obi a say yemfa anya amanyosem me se enne NPP nkonwa e wo parliament 87 se emu 50 aji double salary a John Mahama ready say odo mu nyina bekoji
de na e tiny say ye mrante ye kon masemi ye omo na age party ye yi no ye swasika de Masam George odisa ko edisen Sammy Gyamfi no ye swasika
omemo
yes classmates any ade no mu ne nam ebi kura na mu di achi ye swasika de akomo omo enne ne ye yam sa no election time wo mo ye chichi omo bi ye swasika de akopa mama chew
enne ne aba no say nipa we cry so media dancing ntia you ne betum wo kuru so media dancing
ntia ye beba so
yo yenkwe
ye beba so me sama serebio GhanaNsem eba ni akan kikikikiki hwezam abrantie no a soja ni no a onwene no a sedam wabo se na ban ene ndisi aban to adwuma Jubilee House no okowura pharmacy shop ekọ bu nkrofo titiri no oba no Assembly by MCA yam na yira. Ana me bo ana.
No crap.
Ye be koso adi akire. Abanum ye nte. Senia ye attorney general timi kontrase. Na nano trial a public trial en wodi ye na dwuma no. Me hu bi da. Omoma ye huru ba bia koduro. Ye be koso adi akire. Ahmed Swale nasem. Mo na modi ye campaign ni ade. Ene baby abeduro no amose asem mogya no de wagya ni nani baby ote moma ye hu no sa asem no afei pad no so a mo ka asem mo chama school fo no mo cha ba ko ema biem eno so moma ye hu afei sika dodo a ma chama university students because akra kotua 4000 now command 1008 and kra no so nyu omu nyina you intentionally hijacked the system entirudo no so anya kwan moma ye hu de tosu bi ampese meka 24-hour economy. And now me tie me Ahmed Ibrahim. Na NPP MPs muntie NPP communicators muntie or say wa mo besi market all the districts and sana omo ahye 24-hour economy na se baabia no oso mu si fire service station ewo honum na owie ya no and ye busa no procurement or see procurement no won ba ye ntem because omu ko jai e de manipa ba ko na mienu a wo mo ni betie no omu nwie NPP de ba campaign into aso omu timi wie no omu de campaign in the minds of each of the NDC people no so ye member of parliament one who sere kura no a he is looking at the benefits from the or the saying electoral point of view. but do the okwatrawa no you are commending the government. I'm afraid they all can on 24-hour economy no menia if you work you best market abani crowd 50 million and what the mama no any ade na Ghana seed money credit be just a single bank enya more than 400 million na yet then na 50 million Ghana man nyina there be akodro no but na some no the import of it ni say in terms of the campaign but I know wonim the oka say campaign free SHS kra no samutimi tena say edane no eba ne to bi no mutirimu a me de memba wuni say NPP but to echo 2008 no we spent so much more than the NDC spending ye lusui 2016 NDC spent so much they lost 2020 election 2024 we also spent so much we lost. So the bottom line is say obia no a wo ye politician na need that from no nim political communication no it's about the narratives. He who controls the message controls the people. And no no MPP yetimi trase ma yehunu se hodmo no we have gone to the election. We have been defeated in a humiliating way. So in effect we are in crisis. How do we take stock? Send yetimi trase em ya the crisis strategies. Say anya ni sa na the communication sa na dey call dia and share na no so ko having aho ne yentwe ni ye ma bia ni sa no enura enura ne nura chi nyina kwakuado NDC MP a owo asunafo no Nsem na beto dwa so na Nsem no de di kan Bible so okra wo ya bone no onu ane wuo say ya no cressa colonel da kra ne frɛ wo a ona wo du ti akɔgye akyerema ananya sa na tie dia me kese o ti ase eni ti so uka na uka kosisen the moment ya betwena free mu no na ukra no obu abone the bastards with him and na Nsem ni bia no okika metie Erastus don konom and ya frefra obi kura nso atie the bottom line is say the entra odi America call hon mo no enipa no a yakwaje ni machines ni ade no onu na sponsor no e won election onu na sponsor no e wo ahafo hwidiem eni ntisi a che ne boss di a okọ ho no that is the truth but the asem no enra metie abambaben I'm so papa he doesn't seem to be smart and sesenka abambaben kra no out of impulse obeka bie because in his own submission no or say yenya man full report anameboa
yes
so why then in a haste baby out one as a speaker of parliament no your position esunye you are third in command opani so die matemante me emfa meto anim
or say or condemn act na course
o sa ko twan
no I don't see any problem with that because act na dey obey me condemn without pronouncing anybody guilty
meba act na course wo no act na course wo no so unya condemn pe asem ni nyina ne say when na orchestrating mob action no so the moment you act no you have accepted say oh yes I did no
there be was say or condemn the attack on the military no
it will be ye no
na ye briefing no and so all obstructed the police from working obema kwan mo bi akọ
ne briefing ya owie ye no on say from Swan Packers at Doom any 10 penti no and was say and then you are trying to rope in Colin Zelda enti one de agina kosie ni say sampan fo na wo mu no ne bo ni di nti na odi amika be kasa na ana de make us out ase so onya tena se sense kra all condemn and wo ye brief or ye reticent or yes straight ko wie but asem no according to abamba be na me awunu say enipa bi untouchable NDC enti akobo ba akuni Colin Zelda so ye ni nyuma ni nuane na ba yakum nipa de okunipa de bia enti no sasemu ekura so onka ho bi kura no a ubo ni din a efa because of that record ana wo so abamba bia akotena akoka say ai adenti ana okobo ni din enti attack na ho ye no people will not see it as a genuine one na mbom no aso de abufuo de atosu biem abrante no de ametete ne se yeso no kura no no on hyeda nya ndisi ni
kwaku
ado no
oh okay
ebi kura kan say odi kwaku ado be so odi akufu ado kura di frebusia enti sa na tie dia let us sacrifice this guy but attack alacrity any agency or ma attach it to the arrest any ade abrantie ye no Joseph Yami dia ni aye ni sa
Debi
ya ni sa
Yakubu Abangadi ya ni sa
Debi enche dia ni aye ni sa
Debi
dadie so enso so no dia ni aye ni sa akwasi akwahoyi odan die ya ni sa ya ni sa
Debi
mi busa geme so what is aye ni sa
Debi
ya nya obi asa mebrebe nkawe die what is aye ni sa
Debi
enti de betra so it confirms say eyampa say onka ye hunti ye nyini mfiri mu ntem se kra na baaye no ehon mo no amanfo lezi o mubuti se nka enye do mu nya brante no mfiri ho but ono no uka kosi sen say wo na do ti akwaje akirema wo ni NYANSEM na se nyame na aboa ena sojafo yi no we no mo ye reke yi se ya de se ko ba se wo mo ye fully prepared no mo koya kamoja be hwiagu
kombe kuni pa bebre
o ti ase kamoja be hwiagu bani nyina no kosi aban under mama and a state of lawlessness soja need to kura pharmacy ni aburu obi so ti ase
no obi afa afa ne ho adi
bepim ne yante hwe etu ye ni sa psychologically no o shut him amufo no den baby akoduro no ana de make mbo ana baby akoduro no mawie ni sa no yemra wei ensoso yewura Muntaka Mubarak miaminia interior minister
yes
and yes so omo koye investigation bi no omo de abeto say enipa 20 bi na yache omo a emu 5 kura dem 2020 election and what they say 2024 fine inti report no me pe bi makan se menya bidia ne na wotwe ne de aba
okay
me pe se me hunu say report no mo no nia ekosi akwatia Emma sofo azoka pania wanyina duru sei agya na adwene ho no se nwuro odi ye no ono so oka hu bi bepesem nu ye se ne ekọ Ablekumanov ekua firi ye ho no nia ono so tu hye hawa komsen so no oho abrantie ya buru ni what is akra deputy deputy Chris ono so de ewom bi afa ya pase hunu ye pa se da bia bi si ye bia no Omo famra na yenhwe sani sitie even after the election mob actions ekoko yi nyina yenhwe afei wo mo so mo inciting crowdforce wo mo nko anglogo enkodi boni a edipa nso ananwotwe wuye no report we say no eno so mrem ana me bo ana ni nyina o se ehwe but adiema kakra ya na me party no me di ho ya kakra ni say ansana na akufu ado beba no na 2008 yelusu ya yankro 45 ne twitwa omuti wa gogulushi okota male red no mo a ya na eja obribu ahin edi asemnechi from 2009 to 2016 red mo ye do omutum nkana na akufu ado you expecting so buy no
akobeti
enka commission na okobie na yawaso no
eso bie bi
you should have extended it now you didn't do it so your own you have disowned us and then this for no say wo de no a ayawaso de no eno na you are saying yan ensem a commission de buy no ye ni so but now you had every opportunity to have also extended but you limited it to yan